Have you ever watched a finance video and felt like you needed a PhD just to understand one sentence? Most money advice online falls into two buckets: confusing jargon that sounds like it was written by robots, or flashy get-rich-quick schemes designed to separate you from your hard-earned cash. My name is Jenna. I've spent years working inside the world of finance, seeing how the wealthiest people actually manage their money to stay ahead. As I followed finance content online, I noticed something that bothered me. Almost every voice in this space was male. Like the algorithm decided compound interest is a guys-only topic. That never felt right. We deserve a seat at the table too. You'll notice I'm using animation here. After years in boardrooms, speaking on camera feels intimidating. So while I'm not ready to show my face just yet, I am absolutely ready to share what I've learned. There's a serious problem, a financial education gap that costs families hundreds of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. In school we learned about mitochondria, but nobody explained why a credit score drops after paying off a loan. We graduate academically prepared, but financially clueless. It's like being handed the keys to a Formula One car when you've only ever ridden a bicycle. Financial literacy shouldn't be a privilege reserved for the elite. It should be as basic as learning to read. We're not going to focus on skipping your morning coffee. That advice misses the bigger picture. The real issue is we've been programmed to believe buying things equals progress. It doesn't. On this channel, we'll break down high-level strategies into simple systems, optimizing your biggest expenses, building an automatic wealth engine, and becoming a capital owner instead of just a saver. Wealth isn't built through hype. It's built through consistency, doing the boring things month after month while everyone else chases shortcuts. We'll also talk about the quietly broke phenomenon, where looking successful has become more important than actually being successful. Real wealth isn't about appearances. It's about freedom. The freedom to make decisions based on what you want, not just what you can afford. Your future self is counting on the choices you make today, and I'm here to help you build a roadmap that actually works. If you're ready to stop letting the system keep you stuck and start building real wealth, join me. Welcome to Jenna Invests. I'll see you in the next video.